Welcome back for my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec on Friday the 10th of January. Let's look at gold as my final chart of the day, and gold retracement since that spike high that we saw early in Wednesday's session. That gold retracement has continued marginally, not hugely, and it started to settle down. You can see that on the hourly chart where we saw the spike back down to 1540 yesterday, and since then that was early doors, and that 24 hours later we're basically still trading in a little bit sideways range of 1540 to 1560, and that's just settling down this retracement slightly. And you look at momentum indicators on the daily chart and think, well, are they sell signals coming through? Well, yes, effectively they are. The RSI below 70 having been above 80 is a pretty significant retreat, as is the stochastics. MACD lines also topping out potentially there. But I'd still look at this and think, well, this has already gone 38.2% fib of the big bull run from 1445 to from 1610, which is, wow, I mean, $160, so that's quite a long way. It's already done 38.2% fib of that, and 50% fib if you start to close clear of 1547 to the downside. You then open 1528, which I think is probably a pretty decent ballpark area that you start to think about buying opportunities, because you've got the breakout 1518, the old September resistance at 1536. So you start to get a gauge, I think, of around about where we could see this retreat coming back to. You've got the moving average. The first moving average that I consider is the 21-day moving average. That's back at 1513 at the moment. So there is still a way to go, potential for this one to retreat. But I think around between 50% fib and maybe 38.2% fib, I think that's where we'd start to see some support coming in. So you'd think, well, that I think on a medium to longer term basis, this is still a very strong bullish chart. You can see that through the fact that we did break out so decisively above 1557, and it's just retracing some of that move. And I think that once the support starts to build, I think that's a buying opportunity. It's just when that support builds and at what stage. So we've got payroll support today. Obviously that has the potential to have some volatility around gold, so watch out for that this afternoon. But for now, we certainly are consolidating 1540 to 1560 area. 1556 was yesterday's intraday high. 1560 was 1561. Sorry, was again yesterday's high. So just consolidating around that point, and I think that comes in front of payrolls. A little bit of direction of payrolls, but more chances. I think you start to see the bulls coming back in at some stage pretty soon. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars. And as I said, we've got a payrolls webinar today.